Welcome to the following presentation about professional and corporate instructional design. By the end of this presentation, you will be able to identify leading professional organizations and career opportunities in instructional design, describe the skills and dispositions required as an instructional designer, and explain the differences between corporate e-learning and non-corporate e-learning. Let's get started with what an instructional designer actually does. They are tasked with redesigning and developing entire courses and curriculums and creating training materials. Instructional designers can be found in multiple industries, the most common being corporate, educational institutions, healthcare services, and finance. On this slide, you will notice the top 10 professional organizations in the instructional design industry. Most of these are higher education based organizations, with the exception of a few, including the INACL, which is for healthcare, and ISBI, which is workforce based. Please feel free to pause here and review these organizations. Instructional designers have numerous responsibilities. To begin, an instructional designer's main role is to design a learning program which is effective. In order to do this, they must analyze training needs, the target audience, and learning styles. Then, based on their findings, they will develop learning outcomes. They will also work to create engaging learning materials by implementing the instructional strategies which are most effective, using interactive activities and gamification as needed, while also using quality multimedia elements. Lastly, instructional designers must collaborate. They conduct needs assessment interviews, gather information and feedback from SMEs and stakeholders, and work with others to make sure that learning objectives and materials are aligned with organizational goals. To be a successful instructional designer, one must have strong project management abilities, including effective communication and collaboration skills, proficiency in instructional design models and theories, knowledge of e-learning authoring tools and technologies, and the ability to continuously learn and be adaptable. In order to be the best instructional designer, you need to ensure that you do the following: conduct a thorough needs assessment, apply learning principles, incorporate interactivity and engagement, use blended learning approaches, and leverage data and analytics for improvement. So let's compare corporate and academic instructional design. Please pause here to read both quotes. As you can see, the main difference is that corporate learning is solely based on advancing a specific employee skill set that will, in turn, advance the company. However, academic learning is a more holistic approach that teaches students how to learn in specific disciplines. Though the approaches might be slightly different from teaching children to teaching adults, the necessary responsibilities, concepts, and skills to be successful in the professional instructional design field are the same.